Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to explain the four-wheel drive system on these Arctic Cats real quick. You can see when you put it in two-wheel drive, you're only going to have both your rear wheels turning. The rear axles should be locked together. It's a lock differential in the back. But when you put it in four-wheel drive, you may notice one wheel is slipping in the front, whichever one doesn't have the traction. And so you've got, when you switch to four-wheel drive, you'll have the lock in the back, and you'll have at least one in the front pulling too. And if you want true four-wheel drive with all four locked, you gotta put it into lock, and that will lock both the front together, so you've got both of those pulling at the same rate. If you lose traction on one side, you're still pulling with the other side. So I just wanted to clear that up. Hopefully that makes sense to y'all. The rear is locked in two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, and then when you put it into four, you've got at least three wheels going, and then when you switch it into four lock, then you've got all four locked together and going. Hope that makes sense, helps you out, and if you have any more questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. Alright, there I did it in two-wheel drive and then again in four-wheel drive, and then I switched it to four locked, and you can definitely feel it pull and lock. That really is going to yank on your handlebars a little bit, especially if you don't have power steering. So I could definitely feel that. Hopefully you saw it in the video there. You can definitely feel it pulling on both sides in four lock, and that is a true four-wheel drive. Both of those are locked together, and you're not going to have any slipping or anything. Alright, so I hope you can see there the difference between four-wheel drive and four-wheel drive lock on your Arctic Cat. Real simple system. I really like how it works. When you've got it in four-wheel drive, you've got all four wheels turning, which is really nice on the Arctic Cats. But hopefully that helps you out in understanding better of your four-wheel drive system. Be sure to subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.